Hey friends, I'm Sunita and I welcome you on my channel Lovable Plants. Today I'll talk about this beautiful plant Calathea medallion. This plant is also known as Calathea roseo-picta or rose painted prayer plant. This plant is a tropical plant native to Brazil. These plants can grow from 6 to 36 inches at most. Calatheas are perennial tropical evergreen plants. They thrive indoor with minimal care. The beauty of this type of Calathea is its large oval leaves with purple undersides. Your Calathea medallion will do best in medium to bright indirect light, but will tolerate lower light situations as well. These variegated plants need enough sunlight to keep markings and pattern on their leaves vibrant. Avoid placing your Calathea plant under direct sunlight because it will burn the leaves. The ideal potting soil for Calathea plants should be a mixture of peat moss, perlite and potting soil. This combination holds enough moisture but allows for adequate drainage as well. Always make sure that pots have drainage holes. Put a layer of pebbles along with bottom of the pot to improve drainage and airflow. It is a good idea to use terracotta pots for this plant as the soil in terracotta pots dries out faster than the soil in plastic or ceramic containers. Keep your Calathea medallion moist by maintaining a regular watering schedule. Always check the soil. If it's 1 inch dry, then water your plant. Keep the soil moist, but it should not be very wet or soggy. Always use filtered water for this plant as tap water contains several salts and elements which will harm this plant. Don't let plants sit in a saucer or tray of water. Always water less frequently in winter. For misting also, always use filtered water as tap water may damage its leaves as well. Since Calathea medallion is originally a tropical plant and they grow in deep forest under the shadow of large trees, so they prefer high humidity environment. You can use a humidifier to create humidity around this plant. Calathea medallion enjoys the warmth. It prefers temperature between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Calathea medallion plants can be sensitive to temperature changes. If they get too hot, their leaves will start to curl. The plants don't like cold drafts and their leaves may start to wilt or droop. The minimum temperature for Calatheas is around 12 degrees Celsius. This plant can suffer permanent damage if they are left to grow in cold temperatures. So if you grow Calatheas in containers outdoor in the summer, then bring them inside when the night temperature drops below 15 degrees Celsius. You can fertilize this plant with all-purpose fertilizer diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks during growing season, which is May to August. To keep your plant healthy and strong, you may trim older or unhappy looking leaves. If there is just a small portion of a leaf that was damaged, you can trim the leaf following the natural shape of the leaf. Use scissors, knife, pruning shears and sterilize them before using them. You can do regular cleaning of this plant. Take each leaf between two soft tissue cloths and wipe off the top to reveal a healthy shine. This also helps the plant to soak in more light. It is a good idea to repot your Calathea once every year or every other year to give it fresh soil and nutrients. You can repot your plant every year during spring. The best time to repot your plant is just before the growing season, which is the beginning of the spring season for Calatheas. If you want your plant should grow wider, then you should take a pot that is 2 inches in diameter larger than the current pot. If you want the plant to stay the same size, then reuse the same pot and simply change the soil. The best way to propagate your plant is through division. When doing repotting, you need to determine which areas you will divide to create new plants. Carefully entangle the roots with your hands. Place the division in fresh soil and water them thoroughly. Be sure to keep the soil moist but not soggy. It may take 2 to 4 weeks for your plant to settle from the shock and adjust to its new home. This plant is susceptible to many diseases like mealybugs, scales, thrips, spider mites, and fungus. Please keep your plant under high humidity as the house bug hate humidity. You can add half spoon fungicide in fertilizer to protect it. There are higher chances of diseases in case you keep them outdoor in comparison to indoor. If the leaf of your plant are turning yellow, then overwatering is the most common reason for yellow leaves. So if the soil is overly damp, don't water the plant until it mostly dries out. Leaves can also turn yellow due to pest infestation or cold drafts. If the leaves of your plant are turning brown, then the most common reason for this is thrip infestation. Look for tiny black insects on your plant. Treat them with neem oil spray. If the leaves of your plant is having brown edges, then the most common reason for this is lack of moisture in the soil. Leaf edges will turn brown if the soil is completely dry. Cold air or misting with tap water may also cause this problem. To solve this problem, you need to water your plant more regularly and do regular misting with filtered water. Curling leaves of Calathea may occur due to less watering. Poor watering or poor humidity may cause this problem. Give your plant thorough water and mist your plant with filtered water. This plant is also known as prayer plant. It is because of its leaves position during day and night time. During daytime, they are fully open like this. However, it starts closing them from the evening time, and in the evening, they are slightly closed. Due to this change in the leaves position, it is known as the prayer plant. If you want to know more about this plant, I have shared links in the description tab. You can go through these. This is all about Calathea medallion. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.